In the words of Mel Robbins,
you're not a procrastinator. You have a habit of procrastinating. Because if it's a habit, I can teach you to use science to break it.
Mel goes on to explain that all habits have three parts. There's a trigger, and in the case of procrastination, the trigger is always stress. Then there's a pattern that you repeat, and in the case of procrastination, it's to avoid doing something. And then there's a reward. You get a little stress relief. The way to break this habit is not by dealing with the triggers. You're never going to get rid of stress in your life. You can 100% change your habit of avoidance though. She talks about her method to help her break the habit of procrastination that she's found scientifically sound. So, the next time you're in a position of hesitation and you're finding you're spending a little too much time on that social feed, try these three things. 1, acknowledge the stress. Self, you are stressed. 2, count backwards from 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. She wants you to count to yourself so that you can interrupt the procrastination habit that's stored in one part of the brain in order to awaken your prefrontal cortex. 3, do one thing for 5 minutes. Yes, just one thing for 5 minutes. The reason she only wants you to work for 5 minutes is because your problem isn't working. It's the habit of avoiding. Based on research, she says that once you get started, 80% of the population is going to keep going. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel. If you have tried this method, I'd love to hear about your results in the comments below. That's all for this video. Until next time, my lovely.